Hello, today is the day we're packing up the Montage. You can see it's pretty much almost brand new and almost not used. 23rd, 24th of October today, so we're just going to pack it up and then put it in the box, drive, and replace it with the Montage M. So I can't wait for that. I'll see you soon. Just before we go, power's on nicely. And we need to wipe the data off, so that's something I forgot to do. And I need my glasses. So, utility, system, initialize all data. Yep. I always love this keyboard. I'm gonna say goodbye to it today. Yep, that's all done from the looks of it. Perfect. Okay, we're shutting down. We're in the shop at the moment. It's about to replace the whole thing. So we're in Reigate today. Yeah, so bonus music is what I'm actually made a deal with, and hopefully we'll see how that's gonna go.
Yeah, good.
That's a new system.
Deposit.
Yep.
So you what's not, is that what you're expecting?
Here's the big baby. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Nice to see you.
Stuff.
Sorry, hello.
That's all right.
Yep.
Yeah, hope you enjoy.
Yeah, you
It is
too.
a
Thank you very
great
much.
little kit.
Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thank you very much.
You
Nice
too.
one.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. And here we are. Done. And I'm just taking it home. We'll see how that's going to go. So, we'll see you soon. Here we are. I got the system in the car now, so just driving back and see, taking it from there. So it's been a long time since we last connected online. Hopefully everyone is okay. Yeah, today's about the Yamaha. I really look forward to it. I can't wait to kind of unbox and wrap and see what's inside. I gave back my Montage M8, which is in a very, very good condition. Really good condition, to be honest. Even the seal of the screen has not been removed, so very nice. I think it's a extremely good sellable condition anyway. So yeah, I loved it anyway. I loved the whole look and feel and play of it. Brilliant keyboard, and this I think is going to be probably the best keyboard I've had so far. I can't wait for it, really. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna stop talking about it. So we'll go home and wait for it and see how it goes. So see you in a bit. Okay, so here we go. The moment of truth. Unboxing the thing. Let's see how that's going to go. that's right, this side up. Okay. So here it is. Looks good, I think. Manuals. Yes. Okay, so looks nice, I think, doesn't it? Looks beautiful. I think the controls are pretty much the same. Where things. Right, I generally don't remove the screen protector that comes with it. Yeah, Allah. Let's see. Look at that beauty. Let's power a little bit stuff up. I've not done the cabling yet. Ugh. Very good. Okay. So the speakers. Probably adjusting. Yeah. Keyboard feels beautiful. I can't tell you how much I'm loving this. The keyboard is just nothing like the old system. It's lighter and it's beautiful. It's really, really good. Loving this. It's just, this is something else, honestly. Let's try this. I've read about this before, and I think it holds the key, so when you press something else, it'll release the previous key. Anyway, I need to go somewhere. So this is really nice. I am absolutely loving this. It's probably the best keyboard I've ever had. Montage, well, Yamaha, I salute you. I'll see you soon. Thank you.